We generate some food waste every day, and we have been doing compost for a long time. The old compost can is kind of broken, so we just bought a new can. We're going to work on this new can for compost. We first drill some holes here, and then next step is just open this space, take this center part off. I used the plier, opened a little bit space here, and then going to use this saw to cut through all these holes. It's almost done. A few more. It's quite an easy job. So let's keep working on that. It's this step is finished. So next I'm going to use hammer, smooth here a little bit. Hammer may not be the best idea. Actually, what I'm going to do first is use this file to smooth the surface. The purpose to do this is just to prevent cutting, people's hand. Actually, the best approach I found is first use a file to remove the sharp edge, then use hammer to get a smooth surface here. Next step, I'm going to use plier to just bend here to get it much safer. The job is done. Here is how it looks like from inside. How we use this? Okay, before we talk about how we use this, you can see now the edge here is really smooth. That prevents, when you put food waste in, and if you do not smooth this edge, it may cut your hand. So what we do is we first put food waste in, then put a layer of dirt, and then we cover with this sheet. Then next day we put more waste and another layer of dirt. So keep going. In general, here city pick up the trash by the curb every Tuesday and Friday. We used to have trash probably every day, a bag, one bag a day. After we doing this waste compost, we reduced our trash to, in general, it's just the one bag a week. So that should help our environment, and of course save a lot of energy to process the waste. We use compost to grow vegetables in our backyard. You can see we grow all kinds of vegetables.